Do you have a website, Facebook page, or custom URL that you would like to promote to Android phone users without lifting a finger? What if I told you this was now possible with new technology that has recently become available to businesses and anyone looking to promote their business or website? Welcome the new Royalty Gem. I found this company last month and was blown away at the referrals and leads I quickly generated just simply carrying around the device and placing it in my own business. Any Android user within 100 yards of your device will receive a notification of your choice to whatever website, URL, or landing page you want them to land on. Imagine how many people you could market to within 100 yards of your Royalty Gem. 60% of North Americans own an Android phone. On average, they check their phone every 12 minutes. The new Royalty Gem is going to change the way you do business and communicate to your Android customers. Anyone using the Royalty Gem will be able to promote their landing page without lifting a finger. And the best part is, it's affordable. For only $29 a month, you can use the Royalty Gem in your restaurant to advertise your daily specials or website to people within 100 yards of your device, making this a powerful marketing tool in locations where people dwell, like restaurants, concerts, big events, coffee houses, downtown areas, where people walk by and where people are working all day and they will see your notification. With the Royalty Gem, you can market directly to customers without lifting a finger. For questions and information, click the link below today. An exciting new affiliate program is available as well.